In today's episode, I'm back with another recipe that I'm pretty sure you're going to love it once you try it out. We are making some banana bread, and this is the best bread that you can ever try. So with me here I have my ingredients. From this corner I have some salt, some vanilla essence, I have my all-purpose flour, and that will go along with some baking powder. I have my 2 eggs, my margarine, my bananas, and my sugar. So for the bananas, you want to check on the bananas that are very dark, just like this. This means that they are very ripe and they are very sugary, so I'm not going to be using a lot of sugar. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'll start off by mixing my baking powder with my all-purpose flour. If you are going to be using the self-freezing flour, you do not need to add baking powder at all. Then I'm going to set this aside. Then I'll work on my bananas, and the more the better. So I'm going to be adding about 1 cup of these very ripe bananas. I'm going to mash this using a fork, and you can also use a mixer for this process, but I'm going to be using a whisk for today's recipe. And you'll need about 3/4 to 1 cup, but the more the bananas, the better. And you can see mine are very ripe, they are very sugary. So I also want some chunks of bananas here and there, so I'll stop it at that. I'm going to measure this. And you can see it's almost a cup. And the aroma from the bananas is amazing. Then I'm going to add in my margarine. Then I'll go in with my whisk, and I'm going to whisk this. Then, because we added bananas that are very sweet, I'm just going to go in with 2 tablespoons of sugar. But if at all you're a sweet tooth, you can definitely add more sugar. Then finally, I'll go in with my flour, and in the meantime, my oven is preheating at 160 degrees. And as you've seen, it was that easy. So I'm going to be using this loaf tin And I'm going to spread some cooking oil. You can also use margarine for this step. Then I'm going to grease the sides so that it doesn't stick. Then I'm going to proceed to bake this in an oven preheating at 160 degrees for about 50 to 60